Most retail investors are losing the wealth game because they're addicted to unnecessary complexity. We've been conditioned to believe real wealth requires a complicated strategy. Warren Buffett famously said that broad diversification is often protection against ignorance. In other words, if you truly understand what works and have the discipline to stick with it for the long run, owning a little bit of everything may not be the best approach. So here's the question. If all the noise disappeared and you were forced to own just one ETF for each decade of your life, which one should it be? In today's video, we're building a complete age-by-age ETF blueprint, from your 20s all the way through your 60s. We'll break down the ETFs that offer the best balance of growth, diversification, and wealth preservation at every stage of life, helping you maximize your financial potential no matter where you are on your investing journey. The 20s VGT. When you're in your 20s, your greatest investing advantage is time. With decades ahead of you, your primary goal should be maximizing growth. That's why, if I could only choose one ETF for this decade of life, it would be the Vanguard Information Technology ETF, ticker VGT. This fund is a technology powerhouse holding more than 300 companies across software, hardware, and semiconductors, the very sectors driving the modern economy forward. With an ultra-low expense ratio of just 0.09% and annualized returns exceeding 24% over the last decade, it has been one of the most powerful wealth-building vehicles available to investors. Its largest holdings include giants like Microsoft, Apple, and Nvidia, giving you concentrated exposure to some of the most innovative and dominant businesses on the planet. These companies reinvest almost every possible dollar back into growth, building AI data centers, developing new technologies, expanding globally, and strengthening their competitive advantages. Every dollar retained today has the potential to become many more dollars tomorrow. Yes, VGT can be volatile. There will be corrections, bear markets, and periods where the fund might drop fast. But in your 20s, volatility isn't the enemy. It's the price of admission. With a long enough time horizon, those temporary drawdowns become opportunities to accumulate more shares and potentially build a portfolio worth millions over the decades ahead. The 30s VOO. As you enter your 30s, life gets serious with mortgages, families, and career pivots. A sudden drawdown feels completely different at 34 than it did at 24. The single choice for this decade is the bedrock of global finance, Vanguard's S&P 500 ETF, ticker VOO. This fund gives you immediate ownership of the 500 largest, most stable U.S. corporations for a fee of just 0.03%. In your 20s with VGT, your top 10 holdings made up over half the fund. In VOO, that concentration risk is heavily diluted. Tech exposure drops to 33%, giving you a much smoother ride. Over that same 10-year cycle, VOO delivered a highly respectable 15% annualized return, which fields a massive 304% aggregate return because of compounding. That means you literally turned $10,000 into $40,456 while doing absolutely nothing. It's the default holding for serious investors because it simply works. The 40s VTI. By your 40s, you need to capture the growth of the entire economy, not just the mega caps dominating the headlines. The single choice for your 40s is the Vanguard Total Stock Market ETF, ticker VTI. Instead of limiting yourself to the 500 largest companies, VTI broadens your horizon to over 3,500 holdings across large, mid, and small-cap stocks. Why the transition? Because you are buying insurance against a structural market shift. If mega-cap tech slows down, VTI captures the mid-cap value rotation automatically, so you aren't left exposed. VTI carries an ultra-low 0.03% expense fee and has averaged 14.7% per year over the last decade. It provides you with decent growth and diversification, which is the perfect balance for your 40s. The 50s VIG. In your 50s, we enter a critical zone. Retirement is staring you in the face, and the classic trap most people fall into is panic dumping their growth assets straight into high-yield dividend funds or long-term bonds. That is a massive mistake. Your money still needs to grow because it has to fund your lifestyle for another 30 to 40 years. You don't want a high dividend yield yet. You want dividend appreciation. This means the single best choice for this decade is the Vanguard Dividend Appreciation ETF, ticker VIG. VIG doesn't chase dangerous yield traps. Instead, it systematically handpicks over 330 elite, cash-heavy giants like Broadcom, Apple, and Microsoft. These are companies that have a proven track record of growing their payouts year after year. VIG offers all of this for a tiny 0.04% expense fee, while also averaging a highly respectable 13.06% return per year over the last decade. VIG brings decent growth with ever-growing dividend paychecks along the way. The 60s, SCHD. Welcome to your 60s. You have arrived at the retirement finish line, and your relationship with money changes forever. You are no longer trying to accumulate wealth, you are trying to replace your salary. The single best choice for your 60s is the legendary Schwab US Dividend Equity ETF, ticker SCHD. This is the absolute holy grail for investors entering retirement. SCHD doesn't just blindly chase high yields. It filters for cash flow sustainability, tracking fundamentally bulletproof companies with excellent balance sheets. It gives you an immediate, high-quality starting dividend yield of over 3.7% for an ultra-low 0.06% expense fee. Over the past decade, SCHD delivered a spectacular double-digit total return of 12.88% per year. SCHD is the ultimate machine to fund your daily life, letting you extract serious quarterly income without ever eroding your principal while your nest egg stays fully protected.